Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Marisa Libatuan, 42 years old, married with 3 children. My eldest is 21. My youngest daughter is 15. And my son is 14 years old. I live in Reina Mercedes, Isabela, Philippines, high school graduate.
Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I work in Lebanon almost 2 years to a couple elderly. I do all household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, car washing, and my main duty is cleaning the house. And also I work in Saudi Arabia almost 4 years with to a couple with 4 children. I do all the household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundering, car washing, go to the market, but my main duty is taking care of the children.
In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will always check the children. If they sick, I will check their temperature, and if they sick, I will call my employer and I will ask her, baby is sick, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a good person, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for my family, for my children, and my financial stable in future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother-in-law, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I always think, sir, that I miss this job for my family and especially to my children future, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Around 10 p.m., sir, and I wake at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and to market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I always control my temper, sir, and I was calm.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you cook a Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise I serve your family with all my best. Thank you.